Tonka, where are you? Come here, Pa. Tonka. Tonka, where are you? Tonka.
I swear my Frenchie can teleport. Watch this.
Dude, where did you just come from?
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Oh my gosh! Oh, you're reunited! You're as tall as she is! Oh!
Quem rasgou a caminha? Fala pra mim. Quem rasgou a caminha? Senta.
Sitting up nice and tall, on your inhale, open your chest, roll your shoulders back. Then on your exhale, round your spine and gaze towards your navel. 2 more.
Say I love you. Say it. I love you. I love you. Say it.
Oh, she just loves me.
She does.
Now?
Inhale, lift your right hand high toward the ceiling and then back toward the back of the mat as your left hand reaches toward the front of your mat. Beautiful.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming over here now. And then I'm everywhere. Zoom, 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 I see you.
Astrid? Astrid?
Astrid.
Astrid? Astrid? Astrid?
Astrid.
Astrid?
Where?
Astrid?
Hey, come here, look. I want to know what happened in the kitchen while we were gone. Hey, sit down.
My name's Victoria.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Where are you taking your blanket? That's supposed to stay in your bed.
Pepper, Sevi, Reba, Cisco, Henry, Peter and Gadget, Sophie, Enzo and Tadish, Daisy. Come on. You can do it. Go, go, go. Come on.
Clark, do you have my water bottle? Can I have it, please? I'm gonna drop it.
Where's your fish?
Good girl,
Are you ready to go to school? Let's go.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Ayuda. Ayuda. ¿Me quieres soltar? Empezó todo. A ver. Ayúdenme. O sea, ayúdame, Canela, con tus hijos.
Who chewed this up? Who chewed this up? What happened to your eyes? Where are your eyes?
Maybe guilty.
Okay.
Did you chew it up?
Did you chew this up?
How in the world did you get up here? Go, show Mama how you got out here. How'd that wall get all dirty? Huh? What you been doing, Bow Wow? Huh? Come on. Ah! I knew you did.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I told you I heard it go behind us! There's no way! How did he get out? I was just joking about him running after Wendy. Unbelievable. No.
Patingin, patingin. Tigil mo nga, Ate Nes. Huwag mo subuan ng ano yan, ng kutsara. Oh, hindi ka kain. Kasi wala ka susubo. Oh, sige. Grabe.
Ketra, it's time for night-night. Come say your prayers. Say your prayers. Amen. Please go turn off the light. Good job. Come on up. Go get in bed. Snuggle. Head down. Good job. Time for night-night.
Oh.
Get your lazy asses up. Wait, actually, that's really cute. Can you hold right there? I need to take a picture.
With Thumbtack, you can easily find top-rated professionals for every home project.
Oh, bless. No. I got this for you. No! Why did you do that? No! Chili!
Good morning. Good morning.
God.
We gotta.
Not really. Neither way.
Ow!
Ow!
Hi, Ella. Hi, Ella.
It's the balloon.
Friend.
Now, like, you be nice. That's Daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Okay.
Who's here?
Fastball. Here it is.
Every weekend I tell myself, John, gotta quit drinking, man. Thank God my name's not John.
Does anyone else try to call with their wife ever and you have this going on? Get out of here. He just, every time.
Rob a bank? Do you want to fight? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat?
Was it you? Did you do this?
Ow! Stop. Fucker. See, this is what he does when the TV's not on. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Oh. Hey, turn it off. figure that out. Yep, try it now.
Do you understand? So like when this little hand is at the V, that's 5. And then it's dinner time. But right now, it's not even 3 o'clock yet.
Sweetheart, do you want to get out? You want me to help you out?
I knew it! Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
Have a pool?
Martha. Martha. I think you're suffocating Reg. Martha. Martha. Don't do that to Reggie. Martha. You're not coming in.
Outro. What do I say? This is the vast majority of students. It was great to hear Oh, he's going for the squirrel.
Somebody did pee-pee. Any idea who did? Was that you?
I ordered you a burger. Okay? Kushite. Kushite, I ordered your burger. Don't worry. I got you. Okay? Stop being impatient.